of the top. How we doing, guys? Your boy Kicks back here with another video coming at you live from the Shoe Palace. So as far as an update for this thing and like pretty much how it sits right now, we still have to do the O2s. We have to extend them. I can't just plug them in. I have to extend the wires. So still got to take care of that. I talked to a few people and they were speaking highly of the Serial 9 shifter kit that they sell for the CD trans. So yeah, I went ahead and ordered that. It was definitely not cheap. It was about 600 bucks. So that should be here soon, and I will definitely try to get that on as soon as possible. You don't have to pull the whole trans out, but you got to drop the trans like 4 or 5 inches to even do the swap. So we'll see what we're gonna have to do. But after that, once we get the gearbox working properly, the car will go into first gear. Like I can move it, I could somewhat drive it. Pretty much at that point, just fix all the exhaust leaks, make sure everything is good. Well, obviously you gotta put all the interior back, dash. My guy still has to come out here though and figure out this driver window. For some reason, it just does not want to go up. And after this window works, everything else works. You know, all my lights and everything works. So this thing will be pretty much ready to take out. At that point, we can finally celebrate and just be like, finally, man, we made it. And what I'm gonna do, I'm actually going to do a reveal on this. I'll let you guys know where I'm gonna be doing it. I talked to some of my guys and they are more than willing to let me use their studio to do a reveal on this. So that's gonna be sick. I'll plan it out at least like 2 weeks in advance to give people time, and anyone's invited, man. You guys can all come through and check it out. So that's gonna be dope. Can't wait to do that. This thing, I should be taking it out with Mike and some other peeps. I think February like 23rd. I have to check again, but yeah, you guys are more than welcome to pull up too. We're gonna be going to Apple Valley Speedway. I'll be out there with him and a bunch of other people. Get some slide action going on. And this thing, we're actually gonna be taking it out today. Just for a cruise, nothing crazy. I need to go to Nissan and pick some stuff up, and you know, I'll give you guys some turbo noises and, you know, the POV experience. We were actually supposed to do a video today with my boy's RS3, but he was having some issues with it, so he ended up having to take his car to the shop to see if they could figure out what's going on with it. I'm pretty much gonna be doing like a review on it, and then we might get a couple pulls in with this. Should be pretty sick. It's not your average RS3, it's built. So that should be a pretty dope video, so stay tuned for that one. I got to get this baddie out of here, but we gotta move this guy first. Need to put the battery back in because I was using it for the S15. I think it's dead. Weather is so perfect today. All the right noises. Guys, isn't it crazy? Ever since I wrapped this car Nardo, I've had no problems with it. It's been like 4 months now, like 0 issues. The only problem I have is like the idle fluctuating here and there, but that's kind of always been a problem on this car. My last setup did this shit too, but eventually it just like went away on its own. I don't mind it, I just hate when you get check engine light. I hate that light so much, I just really do not like looking at it. But about to fill this thing up, throw some gas in here. I'm gonna head over to Nissan and grab a few things. And that's pretty much about it. Just wanted to give you guys some POV. It's a nice day, so decided to bring the Z out. You already know, put in the good stuff. It's on the feets today. The uncorked purples. Okay. And how about them views though? Wonderful day in the city. You guys can't tell me that don't sound crazy. This car is a whole UFO, bro. I love it. It's just my favorite. All of a sudden it's windy over here. Oh, I'm hungry, bruh. I think it's time for me to get some food. That's one thing I hate too, is that rev hang. But I'm pretty sure the idle and that is connected. Like the throttle body is just being weird, the pedals being weird. But I changed all this stuff, so I don't know. It is what it is. I guess as long as she goes fast, right? Reliable. It's cool. Alright guys, I just attempted to pick up the stuff I needed, but they don't have it. But I just special ordered it. It'll be here tomorrow. I got an idler pulley so this thing can stop sounding like a cricket when I cold start it. And some seat bolts because we got the electric chair over here, so I can't be that disrespectful to my passengers. Damn, brother. The sounds this thing makes, glorious. Hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. I think it's time to go, bro. I've been seeing the helicopters. There's one right in front of me, in front of this car. Like, bruh, every time I'm about to do a pull today, like, I just keep seeing cops. So I think it's a sign to take this thing back. Sorry, guys. Well, yeah, guys, that was today. Pretty boring day, you could say, but as long as I'm driving my Z, man, I'm enjoying myself 1000%. This thing sounds insane, bro. I love it. Pretty soon here, I'm trying to find a better mic so I could do a crazy mic setup on this, get some real turbo noises. So yeah, stay tuned. Like always, man, appreciate you guys for tuning in to another video with your boy. Be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys in the next video.